Well, hello. This is Rose RCG Creations. How are you doing? I'm bringing to you a Green Chef meal. And here is the menu we're making today. Sriracha Tamari beef bowls. Doesn't that look good? It's made with jasmine rice, broccoli, cabbage, and carrots, roasted vegetable peanuts, Sriracha sauce, tamari sauce, Agave, ground beef, garlic, black and white sesame seeds. And then here's all the detailed how to do the whole thing. I messed up and spilled something and I wiped it, so don't get this wet. You're going to have a smear like I did right there, like ah! But anyway, I'm showing you right here. I've already chopped everything up. Save some time. Now I'm going to bring you over because I'll be mostly doing everything over here. I just want to make sure I'm in focus and frame. Okay, so let me back this up just a tad. Okay, I've already got the rice cooking. It's in a bowl, in a pot here. I have a magnet. This is really helpful. For those of you who have these little clippies with a magnet, this makes a great recipe holder. See that? And I just stick it to my range hood, vent hood thing. Okay, so I've got rice cooking over here, and it's just about ready. Well, let me just double check it. Okay, yep, I can turn that off. Or just let it cool off, but yeah, it's done. Okay, let that simmer. I got the ground beef. It's already cooked, chopped up. And let me get my oil cooking here. I'm in the front. And I got a little bit of olive oil in my frying pan. And then I'm going to add my veggies and saute them. Now let me do the ground beef. Okay, this is the front. And I literally just turned it off. Yeah, that's still pretty hot. I was wanting to make sure. One of the things I'm learning is to time everything so it all comes out at the same time. I'm getting better. Not great, but I'm getting better. So, got the heat on. And it says, cook your ground beef in oil 4 to 5 minutes or until it's totally cooked, which is cooked. Cut it into pieces. Then you add the Sriracha sauce. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from heat, and then it's ready. So that's it. We're done. And the Sriracha sauce came in a little packet like this. Okay. Then you add water to it. You know, I've never had Sriracha sauce, so I don't know nothing about it. So we'll see what happens. Let me just mix this up. Okay, so we cook this for 1 to 2 minutes until sauce is slightly reduced, and then when you cook beef, stirring occasionally, and then you remove from the heat. Okay, so I started pretty good. At least I think I have. Everything's coated. Let me add my veggies. This oil should be hot now. I should have switched pans and used the big pan for this and a small pan for this because that's not a whole lot of meat. Okay, excuse the reach. I need to get a spoon, I'm sorry. I'm assuming I just got to coat it because it says for the veggies, heat 1 teaspoon cooking oil in a large saute pan over medium heat. Add broccoli, cabbage, and carrots. Oh, 1 tablespoon of water. I have a tablespoon right here with my oil. Okay. And then season with the garlic. I got my garlic. It's a little powder packet, the little garlic. season with the garlic, salt, pepper, stir to combine. And I lost the rest of my directions because it got smeared. So when you add this little sauce, I think we're done with this one. Because all we have to do is add the Sriracha sauce and coat it. And it's pretty much done. At least it looks like it's done. Now let me finish coating this. I dropped one of my broccoli. Well, it looks good. It smells really good. I know you can't see me because I'm down here, but it smells really good. I got the camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. So how long do we saute this for? Stir to combine. Oh, I wish I didn't erase that stuff. And I didn't remember reading it before I did it. I'm thinking we're just going to have to cook these until they wilt a little bit and get soft. This is what I'll do. But I think I'm going to add just a little bit more oil. And I'm using olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit more just to coat everything. Okay, my husband's telling you to hear my husband. I'm sure you can hear him whispering. Sriracha sauce is very hot. I like heat. Not a whole lot of heat, but I do like heat. So, but it's going to be coated with the veggies and the rice. He'll probably have his full force, but we'll see. He's over here inspecting because he's not a veggie person, and he sees the what is this? The cabbage, the red cabbage and the green cabbage. He's okay with the broccoli. He's okay with the carrots, but not really. And he's definitely not okay with the rest of the stuff. But oh well, he's gonna have to try it. We're both having to get out of our comfort zone to do some of this low-cal cooking. Because we're used to our starches, our carbs, and there's rice. There's jasmine rice, so we do have that.
Gotta eat healthy, be healthy.
Did you hear him? He don't want to get the video though. He said, do it. Okay, so I think it's pretty much done. Oh, I see now. Here we go. We put this in there, add the Sriracha sauce, lightly seasoned with salt and pepper, and then cook. Okay, so this is the Tamari sauce. Add the Sriracha Tamari Sauce. Okay, let me add this to roasting sauce. We're supposed to add this to the meat, so. I'm going to turn my heat on this one. And let me cook this back. So that way everything will be hot when we plate our food. I've got another package. What is this one? Oh, a guava. Where do you put the guava at? Add sriracha. Okay. I bet you the guava is going to go over here because I know a guava is sweet. It's a sweetener. I think that's going to help take off care set off the spice of the sriracha. Okay. So let me get, okay, ground beef. I got the Sriracha sauce in there. Got the Sriracha Tamari Sauce. And I already salt and peppered it, so I'm not going to do any more. And then just heat this all up. So as soon as it heats up, I'm going to turn the heat off. But it looks good. You know what? I'm going to take a taste. Ouch. Hot. Hot. It's not overly spicy. But you know what? That's a good flavor. I never want to put the two together, but part of these meals is you get to try stuff without buying a whole bunch of stuff if you don't like it. Like you buy a big old bottle of Stevens, a small bottle, like a 16-ounce bottle. Well, what's the point of having a big old 16-ounce bottle if I'm never going to use it again? So that's one of the good things about buying these meals is you get to try different stuff. And then if you like it, buy the big bottle when you make it yourself, homemade. Save yourself a little money when you make all this from scratch. Okay, so that's done. And I think the veggies are pretty much done. So they're pretty wilted. Yep, they're pretty soft. I say this is done. Because it says it's only going to take... oh, that part's cut off too. But I think this is it. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up. And we're going to serve. And we're going to do the best part, the taste test. I'm not going to do the sesame seeds because I'm not too fond of sesame seeds. Get the fork. And this is going to be, oh, I just dropped the fork. I got to pick it up in a minute. I just moved it out of my way. Okay, so let's get some rice. Everything's turned off. Making sure everything's turned off. I'm not too familiar with jasmine rice. Hubby is, but I'm not. But I'm just going to grab myself a small portion just in case. Okay, then you do the veggies. Now veggies, I can handle one of these because I'm into that big time. 1 scoop of the sauce. Let that cool just a minute. I'm going to move the camera over. Sorry for the reach there. Okay, there we go. Let me bring my camera up angle a little bit. Alrighty. Let me get a, I'll put a little bowl because I'm going to cut this open so hubby can put some in his. You know, and this, again, this is another little quick little meal. That is some good stuff. Okay, so let's mix this up just a little bit. Oh, forgot to turn my camera view to make sure that I'm in frame. Oh, and I got to add my peanuts. You got to eat your. I chopped up some peanuts that came in a package with it, and cut some sesame seeds, but I'm not doing any of those. We're going to skip that part. So let's take a taste test. We're going to do veggies, the whole shebang, and 1 scoop. This is definitely 2 thumbs up. The veggies are sauteed soft. taste them all. I don't taste a whole lot of spicy. And I think it's because the guava with that other, this gluten-free tamari sauce. I gotta look that up to see what that is. And you know what? As a matter of fact, I have a little bit here. Let's taste it. Kind of tastes like soy sauce. Yeah, tastes like soy sauce. Okay, one more bite. Rice, veggies, beef. I'm definitely going to be making this again. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. And don't forget to ring the bell. That way you'll know when my next video pops up, which is typically every 2 days. Take care now. Bye-bye.